Picking the wrong clamp meter doesn't just waste money, it can genuinely get you hurt. And here's what most YouTube guides in 2026 won't tell you. There's one specific feature that separates a safe, accurate reading from a dangerously misleading one, and skipping it can put your numbers off by 40% or more on real-world circuits. I'll expose exactly what that feature is before this video ends. Now here's what stopped me while building this list. Electricians on professional trade forums are calling the #1 pick here. A meter under $160, their daily driver over their 400 plus Fluke. Not one or two guys. A recurring theme across multiple threads. That kind of consistent field feedback is hard to fake. 6 meters, 6 price points, no fluff. Product links are in the description. Starting at number 6 with the Klein Tools CL390. Klein has been making tools for American tradespeople since 1857, and the CL390 is their solid, full-featured entry point into the clamp meter lineup. True RMS, auto-ranging True RMS. It clamps up to 400 amps on both AC and DC circuits, covering most residential and light commercial work without a problem. What's notable at this price is how much ground the CL390 covers beyond just current. Through the clamp, current and non-contact voltage detection, through the test leads, AC and DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, duty cycle, DC microamps, capacitance, and diode testing. Plug in the included K-type thermocouple and you've got temperature too. That's a wide measurement range for a meter, sitting between $80 and $100. The reverse contrast LCD reads clearly in bright sunlight and inside dark panel boxes. A detail you appreciate the first time you're staring into a cramped breaker box with no overhead light. NCVT is integrated right into the clamp jaw, so you're checking for live voltage before your test leads are even out. That's a real safety habit built directly into the tool's design. Cat 3 and Cat 4 rated test leads included. Comes with a carrying case, thermocouple, and 3 IDM weight delay batteries. Who this is not for. HVAC diagnostics, industrial 3-phase applications, or any circuit above 400 amps. The CL390 isn't built for that work. For homeowners handling their own electrical or apprentice electricians building their first kit, this is the starting point that covers everything you actually need. Available at Home Depot and Lowe's in store today. Number 5 is the ideal 61757 TightSight. And the feature that defines this meter is something you won't find from Klein, Fluke, or Fieldpiece at any price. The patented TightSight display. Here's how it works. There's a secondary LCD positioned at the very bottom tip of the meter. Instead of cramming your head sideways into a tight panel to read the main display, you look straight at the end of the meter, the part closest to you when you're measuring. Ideal designed this specifically to keep your head out of energized panels entirely. That's a genuine engineering decision for safety, not a packaging gimmick. The specs are built for professional use. 600 amps AC and DC, up to 1000 volts AC and DC. Low impedance measurement, LOZ mode, filters out ghost voltages on de-energized circuits near live wiring. A lot of meters at this price skip that feature completely. Built-in flashlight. Dual backlit displays on both the main screen and the TightSight tip. Industrial overmolded body withstands a 6.6 foot drop. UL certified at Cat Ivor 600V and Cat 3 1000V. Also covers frequency, resistance, continuity, capacitance, diodes, and temperature via included K-type thermocouple. Who this is not for. HVAC professionals needing wireless connectivity or 3-phase power measurement, or anyone working regularly above 600 amps. The 61757 doesn't go there. For working electricians in cramped residential or commercial panels, the TightSight display is a legitimate upgrade over anything else at this price. Home Depot carries it in-store for those who prefer to hold it first. Number 4 is a complete category shift. The Fieldpiece SC680 is not a general electrician's meter. It's purpose-built for HVAC and refrigeration technicians, and in that specific trade, nothing else at this price does what this does. Fieldpiece has been focused exclusively on HVACR test equipment for over 30 years. The SC680 is their flagship clamp meter, and the standout feature is wireless job link system integration. Clip this meter inside a blower cabinet, close the panel door, and view live readings on your phone from up to 1,000 feet away. That kind of remote monitoring changes how you work a job site. What goes beyond a standard clamp meter here is real power measurement. The SC680 measures actual watts, reactive power, apparent power, and power factor, not just amps and volts separately. That's the full efficiency picture you need for accurate service reports and real client conversations about system performance. Dual Type K temperature ports measure entering and exiting air simultaneously. Swivel head clamp means wire orientation never blocks your reading. Built-in low-pass filter handles VFD noise. In-rush current capture for motor startup diagnostics. Phase rotation testing with just 2 leads. Cat Ivor 600V, Cat 1000V. Who this is not for: general electricians, residential contractors, or DIYers. The SC680 is a specialist tool priced for specialist work. If HVACR isn't your trade, most of its features simply won't see regular use, and you're better off elsewhere on this list. HVAC and refrigeration professionals. This is the meter your workflow has been missing. Number 3 goes to a name that dominates precision measurement in Japan and is earning genuine respect in the US professional market: the Hioki CM4375-50. The jaw is the engineering story here. Hioki redesigned the sensor to be significantly slimmer than industry standard clamps, built specifically to get into narrow gaps between densely packed wires and distribution panels without forcing anything apart. Jaw diameter, 1.34 inches. Hioki warrants those jaws for 30,000 open-close cycles, roughly triple what most competitors guarantee at this level. Capacity, 1,000 amps AC/DC True RMS, a DC voltage up to 1,000 V standard, and with the optional P2010 probe, up to 2,000 VDC, which makes it one of the only portable clamp meters genuinely suited for solar panel inspections at serious voltage levels. IP54, dustproof and waterproof, operates from 4 hours to 145 degrees. Frozen outdoor job sites and hot industrial environments covered equally well. Automatic AC/DC detection switches modes without you touching a button. Inrush current captured simultaneously in RMS and peak crest value. Cat T4 600V, Cat 3 1000V. Bluetooth available via the optional Z3210 wireless adapter, not included in the base model. Who this is not for: residential electricians, general contractors, or budget-focused buyers. This is engineered for high voltage environments: solar installations, EV infrastructure, and industrial applications. And the price reflects that. Solar installers, EV technicians, and industrial electricians. The CM4375-50 is precision built for your work. 3 products in. Here's the feature I said would separate a safe, accurate meter from a dangerous one: the one that puts readings off by 40%. Seeing RMS on a meter box does not mean true RMS. Average responding meters use a formula that only holds up on a perfect clean sine wave. On real-world electrical loads, motors, LED drivers, variable frequency drives, inverters, those readings drift, and they drift by 20% to 40% from the actual value. That is not a small rounding error. On a live circuit, that's a number that gets people in trouble. Every single meter on this list is true RMS. That is not a coincidence. It's the non-negotiable baseline. If you're looking at anything outside this list, check for those 2 exact words before you buy: true RMS. Now, back to the top 2. Number 2 is the Fluke 376FC with iFlex. Fluke has been building measurement tools since 1948, and in commercial and industrial electrical work, their name is the reference point professionals trust when accuracy is non-negotiable. The defining feature is the iFlex flexible current probe, a flexible loop that threads around conductors too large or too awkward for a rigid jaw. Thick cables, cramped bus bars, oversized conduit, the iFlex handles all of it. With the probe connected, the 376FC measures up to 2,500 amps AC. That's range built for industrial switchgear and utility scale work. Wireless logging via Fluke Connect Bluetooth lets you view live measurements on your phone from up to 20 feet away, keeping you outside the arc flash zone on energized panels, log readings over time, trend data, and catch intermittent faults that a single point check would miss completely. The integrated VFD low-pass filter handles noise from adjustable speed drives and motor controllers. Without it, meters in those environments just show garbage numbers. Proprietary inrush technology filters noise and locks onto actual motor starting current. Cat 4 600V, Cat 3 1000V. Fluke rates the 376FC at 4.6 out of 5 stars across 49 professional reviews on their own website. Real-world feedback from commercial and industrial electricians consistently confirms the accuracy and build quality hold up across years of demanding field use. Who this is not for: homeowners, DIYers, and residential electricians on standard circuit work. The price is hard to justify for that use case. The Klein CL810 or Ideal 61757 makes far more sense. That's the Fluke 376FC, a genuinely elite industrial tool. No debate there. But think back to what I said in the very first 30 seconds of this video. Electricians with 20 plus years of Fluke in their hands, guys who haven't considered anything else in decades, are reaching for a meter that costs under $160 as their first tool of the day, not as a backup, as the daily driver. This is that meter. Number 1, Klein Tools CL810. Klein lands at both ends of this list, and that tells you exactly where this brand sits in 2026. The CL810 is the full-featured professional model that keeps coming up in real trade conversations, including from veterans who built their careers on Fluke equipment. The built-in work light is the first feature that changes real daily use. If you've ever worked a 42-circuit panel at night with a light clamped under your chin, you understand immediately why this matters. The illuminated dial handles the same problem in a different way. No squinting to find the right measurement mode at 10 p.m. on a service call. The transflective reverse contrast display reads clearly in direct sunlight and in complete darkness. That is a rare combination at this price, and one that field technicians notice fast. Measurement capability: True RMS auto ranging across 600 amps AC/DC up to 1000 V AC/DC, DC microamps, resistance, continuity, capacitance, frequency and duty cycle, temperature via thermocouple, dedicated inrush current mode, and diode testing. Low Z mode kills ghost voltages, those phantom readings that show up near live wiring on de-energized circuits and make you think something is safe when it isn't. NCVT in the clamp jaw uses an escalating audio-visual alert. The beep frequency and LED intensity both increase as you move closer to a live source. It doesn't just detect voltage, it gives you directional proximity information as you approach. That's a meaningful safety edge on any crowded, dark panel. Cat4 600V, Cat3 1000V. IP40 rated. Withstands a 6.6-foot drop. Verified reviews from electricians and HVAC technicians consistently call this their go-to workhorse across residential, commercial, and HVAC applications alike. Who this is not for. If you need wireless data logging, 3-phase power measurement, or regularly work above 600 amps, the Fieldpiece, Hioki, or Fluke on this list is the right call. The CL810 is a professional workhorse, not an industrial specialist. At under $160, nothing else on this list gives you this much capability for this price. That's your complete 2026 breakdown. 6 meters, 6 price points, from the $80 Klein CL390 all the way up to the Hioki and Fluke at the professional end. Prices move, so always check the description links for current numbers before you order. Drop a comment below telling me which one fits your situation, or ask any questions. Not sure which meter matches your specific trade and budget? Say it in the comments and I'll help you narrow it down. All 6 links are in the description.